Welcome to the Client Success channel for Beauty Pro users. In this video, you will learn how to configure the access rights of employees in the program. Access rights is a function of the program that allows you to restrict the display and using some functions to such categories of employees as managers, receptionists, client managers, and professionals. Please note that the category and access rights of client managers is only available in the Ultimate plan. To configure the access rights in the Employees section, select the folder and click Edit. Also, you can go to Editing by clicking on the item from the list that you want to change, and the program will offer you to edit the post. Then click Yes. Permit access to employees in the program can be on the following items: Clients, access to the Clients section, creation of the client, editing of the client, viewing information about client cards, activation of client cards, exchange, renewal, return of the card, editing of the card sold to the client, viewing and adding photos of the client, editing photos of client, viewing, editing the questionnaire survey, the ability to view, edit, and enter information in the questionnaire of the client created in the program, and client removal. The Appointments Book section, displaying the section Appointments Book with the ability to create, edit, and delete records. The Calls section, displaying the Calls section in the program, is available only in the version of the Ultimate program. Clients and calls of all managers, the ability to view the list of all clients with or without binding to managers with the results of working with them. Also, this right of access allows you to conduct actions on clients, call, meeting, with the indication of the results. Print a list of calls, the ability to download to Excel and print a list of tasks and a list of clients in the calls section with the following data: name, phone, and client status, manager and service manager for which the client is assigned, date of the next and last contact with the client, as well as notes. Products section, access to the products section with the ability to view and create a list of products. Editing of products, viewing and editing of purchase prices, the ability to view, install, and edit the purchase prices of products. For example, in this way, administrators don't know the price of the products that are purchased, but can see the price of selling products. Products arrival, the ability to create invoices, view, and edit them. Moving between warehouses, the ability to view, create, and edit waybills, move between warehouses, and replace products. Goods write-off, the ability to view, create, and edit products cancellation invoices. Return to the supplier, the ability to view, create, and edit invoices. Return to the supplier. Inventory, the ability to view, create, and edit invoices. Services section, access to the services section with the ability to create, edit, and delete services. Marketing section, access to the marketing section with the ability to view the list of birthdays of clients and work with the following tabs: cards, creation, editing, deletion; certificates, creation, editing, deletion; editing sold certificates, the ability to make changes to the sold and used certificates, as well as to certificates that are used in full or completed by the validity period. SMS feed, creating mass mailings and viewing information on sent messages. Personal SMS, sending personal messages and viewing information on sent messages. Email feed, sending email and viewing information on sent messages. Shares, sources of attraction. Employees section, access to the employees section with the ability to view the list of employees. Editing of data on employees. New employees, rights, password change, creating employees, changing the password to enter the program, changing access rights for employees. Preferably, this option should be only for the manager. View and edit employee salaries, the history of the employee's purchases in the location. A monthly schedule, the ability to view and edit the schedule of employees for a month. Salary section, access to the salary section and the ability to view data on the calculation and payment of wages to employees. Payment of wages, Accrual of bonuses and fines to employees. An opportunity to charge bonuses and fines and to deduct taxes and deductions to the employee from his salary. Daily balance. This displays sales for the current day, with the possibility of adding costs, adding funds, and printing available data. Balance for the previous days. Review of data on the balance for the previous days. Total amount. An opportunity to see the status of the accounts and the amount of income and expenses for the day in the section Daily Balance. Salary to the employee. Salary payment in the section Daily Balance. Payment to the supplier. Payment of debts or prepayment to the suppliers. Return to the client. The ability to conduct a cashback operation for a customer made earlier. Transfer of funds between accounts. Planning. Access to the planning function in the cash desk for the day section. Available only in Ultimate Plan. Invoicing for expenses. Access to the budget function in the section. Budget is the ability to link payments on expenses to companies that provide services to an institution. Available only in the Ultimate version. The Reports section in the right-hand window, you can open access to reports. Export, send reports to Excel and print. Settings section. Access to general settings. Work with the connection of additional equipment. Work with entering data into the program. Operations with accounts. The ability to work with accounts in the program. In the list, choose which accounts are available for employees to accept payments and for other transactions. View balances on the bank and safe deposit accounts. Hidden payments. The ability to see and conduct transactions in the cashier and salary sections from bank and safe accounts through a hidden payment. Cancellation of checks, payments, and entries. The ability to delete entries in the schedule section and to cancel paid customer checks and financial transactions in the section Daily Balance. For example, payment of wages, expenses, etc. Removing canceled checks and payments. The ability to delete canceled checks and transactions in the Daily Balance section. Data deletion. The ability to delete the following items: products, services, groups, cards, and certificates. Correction of data for past days. The ability to adjust data for the past period. In the drop-down list, select the period limitation for correction. Only yesterday, during the current month, the specified open period, and any day. If you select the specified open period, you can also limit the ability to edit this period. When you have finished editing the permissions, click Save. To edit the open data correction period, click on the Today in the upper left part of the window, then click on Edit. In the open window, select the date to which the correction access will be closed. This way you can edit only the days after the specified number. If you have any questions, please contact the Client Success Team for Beauty Pro users. You can find our contacts on the website, following the link in the video, or in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel and give that like button a click. Thank you for your attention.